Okay, there's a little interlude as well that comes before the final verse, and it's a power chord. Okay, so you've got root, fifth, and octave. You can remove the octave and just play the two notes if you want. Entirely up to you. I'll show you the full fat version, but you play a fifth or an A bar chord, A power chord, and you slide it up to the 7th fret, making it a B power chord. The secret with these is to keep your grip on. Play the first chord, and while it's ringing out, slide your hand up, slide your fretting hand up. And we're only playing those notes, just those low notes. We don't play the high notes there, we stay clear of those. And that's played 4 times, so you get, okay, 4 times.